Continuing to track Tropical Storm Cristobal now as it continues to make its way closer towards the Gulf Coast. You can see the 5 o'clock advisory here moving off to the north at 12. Notice the center down here, the big thunderstorm action off to the north and east. So it's a very lopsided system, meaning it's pulling in a lot of dry air off of the landmass now and bringing it into this system. So it's having a hard time really organizing. So it's not going to take off in strength any more than it already is right now. But we'll still have to watch out for those tropical storm winds. Intracoastal City, Louisiana, all the way over to just west of Panama City have tropical storm warnings that are in effect now. That means that they could expect tropical storm winds and conditions within the next 12 to 24 hours. Things will start to go downhill along the Gulf Coast here within the next several hours as we go throughout tonight into early tomorrow morning. Now, we also have storm surge warnings in effect across southeastern Louisiana. As this system begins to track towards southeast Louisiana, it's going to pull up a ton of water. Think of putting your hand in the middle of the bathtub there and pushing all of that water. That's the same thing what this system is doing in the Gulf of Mexico, and it's going to push 3 to 5 feet of water inland here in an area that sits below sea level. So this is life-threatening storm surge that could potentially happen there in and around the New Orleans area. So we'll be watching that closely. If that wasn't enough, they're also expecting the potential of 6 to 10 inches or more of rainfall. So they've got flash flood watches in effect in that region. So they've got flooding, they've got storm surge flooding, and then they also have the potential of seeing some of those tropical storm winds coming up. Let me track the system for you. There you see it. Now watch what happens as we go throughout tonight into Sunday morning. Notice the rain bands and the winds start to reach this coastline there from Mobile over to New Orleans and back over towards the Florida Panhandle. But the center of the system, the eye, is still well offshore. So it's not going to make landfall until Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening, the official landfall, but the conditions will go downhill starting late tonight in that area. And then it moves up the Mississippi River here, bringing heavy rainfall there. And notice by the time we get towards Tuesday afternoon, the flow counterclockwise around this area of low pressure will start to pull in some of that tropical moisture. So for us, that's going to increase our chances of seeing a few scattered showers and storms. Notice future radar this evening, maybe an isolated shower in the mountains. We'll see that calm down. And then as we go into your Sunday afternoon, we may see a pop-up shower or storm across the area. A little better chance of a few isolated showers and storms on your Monday. Better chances for scattered showers and storms area-wide by the time we get towards Tuesday. Temperatures outside very warm and humid across the area, and it will stay that way this evening. We're looking at temperatures tonight not dropping off much. We're talking upper 60s to lower 70s with clouds moving in from time to time. And tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, but it's going to be hot and humid with highs in the lower 90s. Here's your 4-day plus. Again, hot weather on the way again for your Sunday, but we'll watch those increasing rain chances toward midweek with the temperatures slowly cooling down a little bit as well.